Hi friends! So our book this week is called The Very Hungry Caterpillar. It's one of my favorites, and I'll have to show you how our caterpillars are doing. Hopefully they're going to be at the top of our jar very soon and starting to make their cocoons. So, The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. Then one Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a very tiny, very hungry caterpillar. So he started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple. On Tuesday, he ate through two pears. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums. But he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. He ate a lot. Oh. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that, he felt much better. Now, he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore either. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house around himself called a cocoon. He stayed inside the house for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. That is a really pretty butterfly, isn't it? The end. One of my favorite children's stories. All right, now we have questions that we need to answer. So here are my questions for The Very Hungry Caterpillar. You guys help me with these. All right, now who is the main character? Is it a child? Is it a ladybug? Or is it a caterpillar? That's right, friends. The main character is a caterpillar. The main character is a caterpillar. All right, now what is the setting? Where does this story take place? Does it take place outside? Does it take place at an aquarium with fish? Or does it take place in a kitchen? You're right. The setting is outside. Now you want to know something funny though? Our caterpillars right now are in my kitchen. Yeah. Caterpillars in the story though are outside. All right, now who pops out of the egg? Is it a chick? Is it a caterpillar, or does the butterfly pop out of the egg? You're right, it is the caterpillar. Caterpillar pops out of the egg. You guys have got it. All right, now where is the egg? Is it on a leaf, on a flower, or on the grass? Yep. The egg is on the leaf. You guys are doing great with this. All right, now, how does the caterpillar feel at the beginning of the story? Is he hungry? Is he sick? Or is he tired? Oh, at the beginning, he was very hungry. Caterpillar feels hungry. Excellent. All right, now what is the caterpillar's problem in the story? The caterpillar needed to find some food, because remember, he's hungry. He needs to find his mother. Is he lost? Or does he need to find a butterfly? You're right, the caterpillar needed to find some food. Yes. All right, now what does the caterpillar eat first? Think about it. On Monday, well, let's see. Actually, let's do research. I think it's on Monday he eats through one, what? Yep. On Monday, he eats through one apple. All right, so caterpillar eats the apple first. What does he eat last? I wonder if that's going to be, that is our next question. What does he eat last? Remember, he had one piece of chocolate cake, one ice cream cone, one pickle, a large slice of Swiss cheese, a lot of stuff, and then he felt kind of sick. So what does he eat last to feel better? That's right, caterpillar eats one nice green leaf. All right, does the caterpillar eat pizza? No, the caterpillar never ate pizza. He ate a lot of stuff, but he never ate pizza. Does the caterpillar eat strawberries? Yes, he ate through 4 strawberries, actually. Now, how many plums does the caterpillar eat? Pretty sure it's 3, but let's do research and figure it out. Let me pull my book up. Here we go. On Wednesday, do you see them? 1, 2, 3. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums. 3 plums on Wednesday. Awesome. All right. Now, how does the caterpillar feel after he eats so much? Does he feel sick? Does he feel tired? Or is he still hungry? Yeah, he felt a little sick. His belly hurt after eating so much. Have you guys ever eaten so much that your belly hurts? Yeah, that's not a good feeling. What does the caterpillar build around himself? Does he build a nest? No, who builds a nest? That's right, a bird. Does he build a cocoon? Or does he build a house? He builds a cocoon. Caterpillar builds a cocoon. That's right, friends. All right, now what does the caterpillar turn into? What does he become? Does he become a butterfly, a beetle, or a dragonfly? You got it. The caterpillar becomes a butterfly. Excellent. All right, now, when does the caterpillar eat an apple? On Monday, on Saturday, or on Valentine's Day? Wait a minute, this is not a Valentine story. He eats an apple on Monday. Yeah, caterpillar eats apple on Monday. Excellent. And why does the caterpillar build a cocoon? To store food? Is it a place to sleep? Or is he trying to get out of the rain? You know what? It's really a place for him to sleep while he does that hard work of turning into a butterfly. Yeah. And when does a caterpillar come out of the cocoon? Does it take a year, 2 weeks, or does it come out tomorrow? It takes 2 weeks. Yeah. And what foods make the caterpillar have a stomach ache? Does he eat soup? No. Does he eat ice cream? Yes. Does he eat a lollipop? Yes. So you could say ice cream makes him have a stomach ache. Lollipop makes him have a stomach ache. Chocolate cake, pickle, salami, all those things he ate. Now, what types of foods are apples, oranges, and strawberries? This is kind of a hard one. Are they fruits, vegetables, or candy? Those are actually fruit, but you can get apple and strawberry and orange candy, but he ate fruit. Now, what are some other fruits? Which one is a fruit? A potato, carrots, or blueberries? Blueberries are considered fruit. They're also considered a berry. All right. Now, which foods in this story are not that great for you? Which ones are not as healthy? Things with a lot of sugar in them, like cupcakes. A little bit of a cupcake is okay, but you don't want to eat too much of that. Or candy. Candy is not terribly healthy either. All right. And what are some other unhealthy foods? What about a candy bar? Yeah, that's not good for you to eat too much of. What about watermelon? Yeah, watermelon's healthy. French fries? Not terribly healthy. They're okay. Salad? Yeah, usually a salad's considered healthy. What about a brownie or a donut? Gotta have just a little bit of those things, right? All right, great job with the questions, friends. All right, so we're doing our last thing, and I've got something in my box right here. Turn that around. You don't need to see the price of the box. There's something in my box that's trying to hide. There's something in my box that's trying to hide. I'll just use my eyes and take a peek inside. There's something in my box that's trying to hide. All right, let's see what's in the box. It's something kind of big. Look what I have. That's right, it is a caterpillar. Now, is this caterpillar, I just said, is something kind of big. So, I don't think that this one just popped out of the egg. This is not a teeny tiny caterpillar. It's a big fat caterpillar. I think this guy might have already eaten 1 apple and 2, what came after the 1 apple? 2 pears and 3 plums and 4 strawberries and 5 oranges. What do you think? And look, friends, do you think he's soft or is he hard? That's right, he's very, very soft. What else can you tell me about him? He's green, his body's green, that's right. What about his face? His face is red